Say hello to the new National Western Center, where agriculture, entertainment, and education come together on one campus. Just minutes from downtown Denver and the new forever home of the Stock Show and CSU Spur. Unforgettable concerts, festivals, and events await all year round. The National Western Center welcomes the entire community to celebrate art, culture, ideas, and education, all in one place. Explore what moves you, taste global flavors, learn from the experts, and create your vision. We're cultivating endless possibilities. The National Western Center is open year-round. See what's growing here. Find it all at the center. Learn more at nationalwesterncenter.com.